Do you ever feel tired after a long day? My evenings are all about relaxing, resetting, and finding peace after work. Stay with me. Maybe you'll get a few ideas for your own calm evening routine. Hello, everyone. My name is Sophie, and today I'll share my simple but relaxing evening routine. I'll speak slowly and clearly, so this lesson is perfect for beginner and A2 English learners. Are you ready? Let's begin. I usually finish work at 5 p.m. After a busy day at the office, I'm ready to go home and relax. I take the bus, and it usually takes about 25 minutes. During the ride, I like to look out the window and watch people walking on the street. Sometimes I listen to soft music or check messages on my phone. When I arrive home, the first thing I do is take off my shoes and hang my bag on the hook near the door. Then I take a deep breath and say to myself, "Finally, home sweet home." It's my favorite moment of the day. After changing into comfortable clothes, I head to the kitchen to make dinner. On weekdays, I usually cook something quick, like vegetable noodles or grilled chicken with salad. But sometimes, when I'm not too tired, I try new recipes I've seen online. Cooking helps me relax and forget about work. While the food cooks, I like to listen to a podcast or watch a YouTube video about travel or self-care. When dinner is ready, I sit by the window, light a small candle, and enjoy my meal slowly. It's my little moment of peace. After dinner, I wash the dishes, wipe the counters, and make sure the kitchen looks clean. I love when everything looks neat and fresh. Once the kitchen is clean, I move to the living room. I sit on the sofa with a soft blanket and a cup of green tea. Sometimes I watch a light TV show or a short movie. Other times I just listen to calm instrumental music. If I've had a stressful day, I open my journal and write a few lines about how I feel. Writing helps me clear my mind and focus on the good things in my life. Sometimes I also scroll through photos of my friends and family, which makes me smile. Around 9:30 p.m., I start my night routine. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face with warm water and a gentle cleanser. Then I use my favorite lavender face cream. It smells amazing. Before bed, I often read a few pages of a book. It helps me sleep better than looking at my phone. I also set my alarm for the next day and make sure everything is ready for morning. I turn off the lights, lie down, and close my eyes. That's my evening routine. What about you? How do you relax after a busy day? Tell me in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English stories and listening practice. Good night and sweet dreams.